All right, guys, I'm going to read you a book today called Friends by Andrea DeRay, pictures by Marcia Howe. And we know if someone writes the words, they are the author, and if they draw the pictures, they are the illustrator. This is called Friends, the title. You know a friend right when you see one. All you have to do is be one. I like your cap. Hi, what's your name? Hey, wait for me. Let's walk together. So everyone in this picture is getting along, they're happy, and they're wanting to be friends. Friends are big and friends are small. Friends are short and friends are tall. Friends are found among us all. And here we are, they're all going to school. So she's saying, "Good morning, Miss Miller." "Thanks, Mr. Walker. See you after school." "Here comes Jennifer." "Hurry, Billy." Friends know when to help each other. Friends are there for one another. So now it looks like there may be an art class and they're all helping one another. She's getting ready to drop her things, so she's yelling out, "Help!" And down here, it looks like he's having some trouble, so she's saying, "Here, let me help you. Want me to show you how?" And over here, maybe they were arguing over what paint to use, so he said, "Trade you a yellow for a purple." Friends share and friends care. Friends are friends almost anywhere. Where does it look like they are in this picture? Yeah, it looks like they're on the playground. And Ryan, do you want to play? Heather, I think it's your turn now. Friends are happy and sometimes sad. Some might even make you mad. They're still your friends, though. Aren't you glad? And then up here, there's a little boy crying. He said, "It's okay to be sad sometimes." And then down here, he fell down. So she said, "Are you okay?" And down here, they're practicing taking turns. He's saying, "Isn't it my turn to go first?" Everyone you see could be one. I'd be glad if you made me one. And they're holding up a sign there that says Friends. All right. You guys have a great day.